Have you ever wondered if Sezzle is really as safe and convenient as it claims, or if all the hype around buy now, pay later services is just marketing fluff? Sezzle.com positions itself as a fintech platform that allows you to split purchases into 4 interest-free payments over 6 weeks, and at first glance, it checks many boxes for legitimacy. The official apps are available on both Google Play Store and Apple App Store, which already gives it a degree of credibility, and their social media presence is strong, with over 20,000 followers on Facebook and more than 205,000 on Instagram, suggesting an active user base. Leadership transparency also stands out, as the CEO, Charlie Joachim, is publicly listed and company information is readily available, which isn't always the case with newer fintech startups. The platform provides complete contact information, including email, phone, and a physical address, making it easy for users to reach out if issues arise. However, while the infrastructure looks solid, there are still points to consider before using Sezzle as your payment solution. Like many buy now, pay later services, late or missed payments can result in fees or affect your credit score. And although Sezzle advertises no interest, the fine print shows that responsibility for timely payments ultimately falls on the user. Some users have reported occasional account verification delays or issues with integrating Sezzle at certain online stores, which can be inconvenient if you're relying on it for urgent purchases. Overall, the platform seems functional and trustworthy in its design and public-facing information, but it's not completely risk-free, and buyers should still read the terms carefully and be aware of potential limitations. While it offers a convenient option for spreading payments, understanding both the pros and the subtle risks ensures that Sezzle remains a helpful tool rather than an unexpected headache.